Hi, Sister Johns. This is Team Haramabe A here tonight. We're talking about the group problems from lesson 4. So, I think the first thing we kind of had a question on was the sum and product rule. So what do we kind of conclude about that?
So did we conclude that for the sum rule, that's when it's like this or that? You use a sum rule when you're comparing, when you're trying to figure out if it's one way or the other.
Yeah.
But then the product, if it's just like
Consecutive events, right?
Yeah. So it's like this way. So
Okay.
or a specific order kind of thing.
The other thing we weren't very sure on was the chi-squared. The last question, we put our questions in, our answers, but it looks like there's a couple on there that weren't right from our answers. So we kind of wanted to talk about that a little bit.
Yeah.
So in the last question on 5, like we were not sure, we weren't totally sure about B and C, about how to get that. I looked at the key and it wasn't correct.
They weren't the right numbers?
Yeah.
Were we supposed to solve for chi-squared for that one? Or was there different?
I assume so because it's the same as A. But we did the same, we got the same calculation. I don't know exactly what went wrong there.
Do you remember like how much off we were?
I think this one was like 60 something and this one was 60 something as well.
Oh, okay. So not
too far off, but I mean, you come to the same conclusion either way because it's really high. So I don't know.
The number was slightly off.
Yeah. So I don't know if we calculated it wrong or.
Is it like a rounding issue? Maybe there's like.
This answer was right. This one, A was right.
okay.
But I don't
Then it must be a rounding issue because we did the same thing. We used the same problem.
Yeah, we did.
And we used the same equations.
I'll have to go back and look at that one.
Yeah.
Was there any other ones we had issues with?
What about, I think it was on question 2, part D, where it was asking the orders.
Oh, I think some of these were wrong as well, yeah.
Those are wrong?
Did
Did they have them as fractions or were they
pull
decimals?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Yeah, because it was just asking the order. Is it the following order of phenotypes?
Okay, I think two we were fine on.
We did that one, alright.
I think 1 was the one that we had issues with.
Huh, I thought, because we did number 2. It's all good.
Those are just kind of like. There's 3 of them.
Was it, because on number 1, the question that I thought we might have read wrong would be B, because it's kind of weird. 3 out of 3 plants.
Yeah. I think we might have just misunderstood the question, what it was asking.
Okay.
Because we used a product rule for that one, which seems right.
Right, because we would need to multiply those ones.
Yeah.
In C, you add that one.
Okay.
But I don't know, maybe.
Well, we'll have to go back and look at the answer key and figure that out after
Yeah.
this. So that's what we'll do. So that's the end of our group meeting today. Thanks, Sister Johns. See you later.
Bye.